Okay, Spurs 2417. I used to support them, Tottenham Hotspur, but I didn't go to many matches. I more collected the stuff when I was a kid, and I think my dad put me off football because he took me to a Blackburn Rovers match, which ended in a draw, and I don't know, I wasn't that excited by it. But you know, maybe I should try again, to go and see a few matches. Mind you, he might be calling himself Spurs, nothing to do with Tottenham Hotspur, so it's just pure speculation. Okay. A bit squashed at the moment. Actually, Ed and knight d5, then I've got bishop c4 with a skewer, if you're not careful, but I'm sure he'll play bishop e6. Alright, so Ed rook b2, knight a4 looks good. So I'll go for this, I think. But still there'll be rook b2 after this. And bishop c4. I think I should knock out the centre pawn. It's worth more than b2 surely. So maybe bishop c4, bishop e6, rook d1. Try and trap the bishop maybe with bishop b3. Or bishop b3, he can take and then take on d5. But here rook, maybe this f rook. I don't think f4 is going to be playable. So if let's see if the rook moves to get out of being trapped. Well I've got c3. No, I haven't got c3 here. Lose the queen. So again he stopped. There's no rook d4s and bishop c7, is there? f4. f4 might be playable actually. I might give f4 a go, but then bishop e6. So I'm a bit loose because of losing that b pawn. Knight e3. Okay, I'll try knight e3. Just a practical move, done quick, to sort of maybe try bishop b3, but I don't want to lose too much time on the clock this time. So I'm going to get my queen out and play c3 at some point. Bishop b3 is the immediate sort of trapping tactic, but then he hasn't got rook b3 at the moment because the bishop's pinned. So he'll probably unpin the bishop, and then bishop b3 he can always take and take on a1. And on the other hand, my pawns will be welded together there. I'll have the a file, and this will be a backward pawn in the a file. So maybe a small positional advantage I can look forward to. So say queen b6, bishop b3, rook takes, a takes, that sort of thing. He'll be winning the whole rook now because his queen will be on it. Alright, what about getting the rook out of the firing line? So the bishop's protecting a2. So if the rook moves, then maybe c3 is going to become possible at some point. Mind you, bishop b3 to try and trap the rook is now bishop a6, so things are changing quite quickly in the position here. Queen h5 threatens rook d4, just noticed that. He's threatening f4, that's another thing. Oh dear. Trapping the bishop. Oh no, rook takes d4, knight d5. I've still got f4. This is annoying. Back to the drawing board. Queen h5, f4, rook takes d4. Maybe that's a reasonable idea now. So hoping for f4, rook takes d4. Hope that's okay. So this sort of pin on this 5th rank. It's a bit desperate stuff, but maybe it does the trick. Can I actually be better after this? No, takes and maybe take on c2. Back row is weak. Mind you, bishop will be on e1, so rook c2 is not going to be possible. Mess. Right. I haven't got something ridiculous like bishop g8 or bishop d3, have I? Bishop d3 might not be that bad. Takes on d4, bishop g6. And he's got h6. So how about rook? What about just rook d1, simple move? I don't want him to take on e3, but on the other hand, rook d3's got e4. So rook d1, I'll let him take on e3 then. I think. I like the back row safety at the moment. So if I have to sack the pawn, I have to sack the pawn. Maybe actually bishop f7 is a tactic. It's coming up. So queen e3, bishop f7, but rook d8. It's got rook f8. No, it's not working at the moment, that's for sure. What about just, I don't know, rook f1, try and seize this f-file. Try and get in bishop f7, bishop d3, there was e4. Okay, if I attack the queen here, can I then threaten something like rook takes f5? He's going to attack the bishop probably. Oh, well, I could try and just go for a takes and thingy, or what about just rook takes f5 here? Doesn't that just win a piece? I hope. So queen h5 is not. I can just play rook takes. Okay. Now I've actually got bishop takes g6 after that last move. This is good. This is hotting up. Forking rook. The thing he's got rook c6. That's bishop e4. Rook moves again. Bishop e4 is fairly solid. So that makes some way for my king to go. So his rook can't move at the moment. I can win e5, or I can win d5. I think I'll play bishop. Oh, let's just move. Okay, I'll just take on g6 for the moment. Protect the bishop. Try and avoid losing the bishop. Can I win e5 now? Yep. Okay, I'll protect my second row. Where's it got rook c3? I can play rook e3. Now try and do something with this pawn, but hold on a sec. Maybe h4. Keep it over here for a second. h4, h5 is the first plan. Second plan, rook f7. Rook f7 and bishop e5 might be the second plan. Or doubling up rooks on with rook f7. Oops. Okay, bishop e5. There's rook g7. There's rook g5 to win the rook. Let's check. So I keep the king back. He's resigned. It was only Spurs 6 5-minute games, so it's only provisionally rated. But yeah, he played well. So up to the point, I thought I was in trouble. So knight takes d5, start of the chaos. So bishop d4, and a lot of tactical calculation needed here to survive the position with queen h5. Otherwise, I thought f4 was a goner. So the table started to be turned here, I think. So I'm just winning a piece now. It was Let's Blunder. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.